What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today's adventure, I'm going to be checking out a waterfall that I didn't even know existed until quite recently. I am in southern Washington at the St. Cloud recreation area. I got the Columbia River right behind me. I don't know if you can see it through all the brush, but it's there. So we're going to hop on a trail that is less than a half a mile, which follows Archer Creek, and that's going to lead us to Lower Archer Falls. Now, I've been up Archer Mountain. I have a video on that. Definitely check it out. But I didn't even know that there was an Archer Falls. Now, during the colder months in the autumn and winter, this is a twin waterfall. But in the warmer months, it turns into a single plunge. Now, it is spring, so hopefully it's not too late into the season and we'll still be able to catch the double waterfall. So I'm excited about this one. Haven't seen it before. This should be awesome. So let's get going. All right, guys, so just got across this bridge right behind me. And that should lead right to Lower Archer Falls. And it's springtime now, so we're gonna see if we get the twin waterfall or the single plunge. So let's go find out. All right, guys, we are here, Lower Archer Falls, and really happy that we made it early enough in the season that we still have a double waterfall. Really beautiful. All right, let's go check it out. All right, guys, I am making my way out of the forest, back to the trailhead. Beautiful waterfall. Hope you enjoyed Lower Archer Falls. Short trail, but it was next to Archer Creek, which was really nice. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 2 million subs. Appreciate all the support. And then I'll catch you on my next adventure. Take care.